Today, the world is facing a humanitarian crisis. In these difficult times, we at Sudarshan are very much committed to our higher purpose of growing together by being spiritually fulfilled, socially just, and environmentally sustainable. Sudarshan has pledged to come out stronger and more resilient out of this crisis. As one of the first Indian companies in pigments to restart its operation, we have ensured the highest level of employee safety and social distancing norms. I am proud of our contribution to the continuity of the essential goods value chain across the globe, at the same time making a very meaningful impact to the local communities around us.
Hi, this is Ashish Ved, the Executive Director and COO for Sudarshan. We have taken critical steps to ensure a safe and speedy ramp-up of our operations, and within 3 weeks of restart, we have achieved plus 80% capacity utilization. Our employees are provided accommodation, food, and transport to enable a smooth transition back to work. Our close collaboration with suppliers and transporters has ensured uninterrupted supplies of raw materials and outbound movement of finished goods. While taking care of basic needs of truck drivers like food, etc., we are also ensuring that their movement through our plants is restricted and safe. 100% social distancing measures are ensuring safety of every employee. The dedicated efforts of our employees and partners is the sole reason that we are able to serve our customers in this moment of crisis. Now, I request Frank, our North America sales head, to share the ways how we are strengthening communication with our customers.
Hello, my name is Frank Bersch and I'm heading the sales of Sudarshan North America. A major problem during the COVID-19 pandemic has been uncertainty. We at Sudarshan have tried to fill this lack of information through regular communications with all our customers. During India's lockdown, we continuously communicated the impact on India, the ramp-up of our plants, and various supply chain challenges. The constant updates helped our customers to plan more precisely and allowed us to serve them in a very transparent manner. The high level of global customer service was only possible due to the strongly engaged and motivated employees throughout Sudarshan. I would like our HR head Shivalika to take us through on how we maintained employee engagement levels during these challenging times.
Hi, I'm Shivalika. I head People Practices, which comprises of HR, IR, Administration and Corporate Social Responsibility. We have used technology to effectively upgrade and help people grow mentally, physically and spiritually. There have been programs to upgrade people's software skills and selling skills. There have also been fitness programs which have helped people stay fit at home. There were others which have helped build resilience. One of our leaders conducted an entertainment program which helped bring fun at home. Despite these challenging times, we have stayed committed to our contribution to society. We have focused on 2 groups, migrant workers and local healthcare workers. We have provided shelter for more than 100 migrant laborers. We have supported over 3,000 families with a month's supply of grains in nearby areas. Women from our self-help groups have made 20,000 cloth masks which were sold for them to local bodies. We also donated medical equipment to local hospitals. I'm proud that despite the lockdown, we have stayed committed to our larger purpose of being spiritually fulfilled, socially just, and environmentally sustainable.